Tosca. And the next one is, we did that one, doing hidden element. Okay, 37 out of 50, average score. I don't think these scores actually are worth a damn, to be honest with you. And the success rate, 35%. Let's click it. Oh, I think the rate of success is so low on this one because you can't do it unless you automate it. So it says, who turned off the lights? Click the hidden element. Yeah, well, click where? Okay. So, I'll show you how to do this one. Let's go to, let's get the string for it. Oh, I don't like that number. Okay. Let's create a folder. Be nice and neat. And hidden element. I'm just using Control-C to copy that, and in the test case folder I'm doing the same thing. Okay. I've planned to do this, I am now doing it, it is in work. So let's go back to the modules, the orange area, and click on scan. Did anybody watch the Golden Globe Awards a few nights ago with Ricky Gervais? Man, I love that guy. He is so funny. I love the way that real humor is coming back. Okay, so there's the ASUS lighting manager for my Republic of Gamer G20AJ or something like that. It's a little beast. It's great for virtual reality. The OBS recording software on my desktop. So that's what we want. HTML, that's good. I right click to get that menu. We can go into this later on. In case HTML doesn't work, you can use these. So click scan. So I like select on screen. Let's minimize this window so we can actually click on something. The zoom level's okay, which is good. So the things are lighting up appropriately. Now this is what we want. I'm moving my mouse around. You'll notice the little thing here that says div isn't changing. Alright, there's nothing to actually click on. Is it working? That's working. There's nothing to click on it here. So let's click on it anyway. Review items. Wait, why do we have to review them? Because they are orange, which means Tosca is basically saying, how am I supposed to click on that? Okay. So I'm gonna zoom so we can actually see everything. Drag it. Still a div. There we go. That's the thing we want to click. So let's check that. Thankfully it's recognized, and uncheck that. And that's not recognized anymore. Okay, so what should we do in a situation like this? Maybe click on the X path. Yeah, seems to like it. Let's close that. Let's save it. Let's go back to Tosca. So now we have our little thing recorded. Drag that into the test case, okay? With a unpleasant number. And then, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to copy all of this stuff. And then I'm just going to delete everything inside of it. Actually, no, I'm not going to close that. I'm just going to take that out. And this, what's this? Close the browser. Okay. And in the process, I want to just take that into the process folder. But it goes to the end. I'm going to verify last, okay. Now we have the click this, which is recognized. Now let's use event driven. With my keyboard. Caps, yeah it is, okay. lowercase. It can be either, but I prefer it to be consistent. So let's see if that works. Actually, let's get the address and put it into the pre folder. Open URL. And let's try that. See if it runs. Doing an F6. Now, we have a little problem. We have failed. Okay. What's the problem? Click this. Container, click this, was not found. Oh, okay. We're not doing a select, guys. We're doing an input. My mistake. Try it again. Run in Scratchpad F6. So let's just click on it and use the keyboard. Like a professional. It has failed again. Hey guys, this is normal. This is developing, you know, automation. Container has no default property for input. The container, the div, the division, and the object inside of it, which has no container for has no property for input. Let's just have a look at this again. So this thing here, this little div here, okay. Let's just rescan it for a second. Right. I'm just looking now at the properties. No, we're fine. Not interested in saving, that's okay. I don't think it can be direct driven. I think we're gonna have to do an old clickety click click. Let's try it again. Oops, F6, sorry. That's what that function key is for. Ah, there we go. Got it. Okay, so after a little bit of trial and error, I got it to work. Now, guys, was that really 8 minutes? I need you to subscribe. Let me see how long it was. Yeah, 8 minutes. I need you to subscribe, guys. Let's have a look at the rest of the stuff. Verify the solution window appears. We got to verify in there. And the post condition is close the browser. That's what it all looks like together. And you're probably wondering what this is. It's that little set the browser zoom. Browser Internet Explorer zoom to 0. And it's a reference, okay. Shall we try it from the top? Give it a go. Sketchbook. Slightly psychedelic effect from OBS. That worked. Verified the solution worked. Verification was successful. Happy days. Best work practice or best practice now. Completed, okay. Colleague has reviewed it and it is A-OK. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. That's the end of this little video. Cheers, bye.